Hello students, we have to move for the next sum in the exercise 2.3. So let us read the sum. This is the 14, we are in 14th sum now. So let us read the sum. Sides AB and AC. Try to understand the sum. Sides AB and AC and the median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Yes, AB and AC. This is a AB and AC and median AD. This is a median. This is a extra construction to prove we have did. Okay, don't get confusion. If we did the extra construction also, that is equal. Okay, proportional to the respectively they are proportional. Okay, why to which triangle? To the triangle PQR, to the sides, I mean AB proportional to PQ and AC proportional to PR and median AD proportional to PM. That thing that has given. Okay, so another triangle PQR. Show the triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. We want to show triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so this is the extra construction. We have extended the median up to E and joining the C, and here also we have extended the median PM up to N and joined with R. Okay, so let us take this first in triangle ADB and EDC. These two triangles we have to take. Okay, in triangle ADB and triangle EDC. So we can take that AD equal to ED. How much AD is there? That much only we have constructed. So we can take AD equals ED. That is by construction. Okay, that is by construction. And BD equals CD we can write. Okay, because AD is a median here. BD equals CD. Why it should be? Because AD is a median. Median in the sense I told you already, that is that divides the sides equally. Okay, BD equals CD. AD is a median. And triangle ADB, in this D is a common, right? Okay, or vertically opposite. Angle ADB equal to CDE. Angle ADB, see, you can see that vertically opposite. Both are vertical. ADB and CDE or EDC, both are vertically opposite angle. Angle ADB equal to angle EDC or CDE, however we can write. They are the vertically opposite angle. VOA means vertically opposite angle. Here two sides and one angle we should be there. So which criteria we can use? That by SAS similarity criteria. SAS similarity or congruency criteria we can write. So you have to take congruency here. SAS congruency, both the triangle ADB congruent to, this is the congruent symbol, one later is there, that is similar, and this is congruency, triangle EDC. So we can write, so if the triangles are congruent, then we can take the corresponding parts are equal, right? Corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. So which are those corresponding parts? AB similar to EC, right? Okay, so we can write AB equal to EC. Why it should be CPCT? CPCT in the sense I told you already, corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. Okay, learnt in 9th standard only, right? So similarly we can prove. Similarly, so keep in mind students, this is the similarly symbol. If three lines and ly if it is there, that is a similarly symbol. Similarly we can prove. That like that only we can prove. Okay, triangle. So here the triangle ADB congruent to triangle EDC. So in the same, because both are equal, they has proportional, they has given, I mean both are similar. So if it should be like that, we can prove that triangle. So this thing you have to take PQM, triangle PQM, it is congruent to the one more triangle, that is the NRM. NRM. It is congruent to the triangle NRM. So here also we can get the corresponding parts, that is PQ. This PQ equal to the NR. PQ equal to NR. What? By CPCT. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. Okay. By CPCT we can write PQ equals NR. Okay. So next, take this AE what we have proved as 1 and this as 2, equation 2. So now from what has given, corresponding parts are equal, corresponding sides are equal, they only has given. So in the given we can write that corresponding sides in the sense AB divided by PQ, that has given AB divided by PQ, AB divided by PQ equal to AC divided by PR equal to median. It should be AD divided by PM. It has given, because see, AD is a triangle, ABC respectively, they are proportional. AB, AC and the median are proportional to the PQ, PR and the median. So that thing we have taken. So this is given, they has given. So from 1 and 2, instead of this AB and PQ both are equal, no? I mean AB equal to EC and PQ equal to 1R. So instead of this AB and PQ we can write in the place of AB and PQ EC and NR. Okay. So EC divided by NR. So if you had confusion, you have to write from 1 and 2. 1 and 2 we can write in the place of AB and PQ we are writing EC and NR. Okay, equal to AC divided by PR remaining as it is, so that equal to the AE divided by PN. Okay, AE divided by PN. Why it should be this thing I have taken, I'll tell you. AE divided by PN. Why it should be AE equals what I can write here, AE equals 2AD we can take, and also the PN equals 2PM we can take. Okay, because these are, if they are equal, both are equal. AE equals AD plus AD 2AD, PN equals PM plus PM 2PM. So if 2 get cancelled, it should be become AE divided by PN. Okay, so instead of that I have taken AE divided by PN. Okay. Next, here I mean all the three sides are equal. I mean EC equal to AC, that equal to AE, NR equal to PR, that equal to PN. If the sides are, all the sides are equal, so by SSS similarity criteria we can write by SSS similarity criteria. So where it is SSS didn't check. Okay, because here only three sides we have taken. So AC equal to AC, that equal to AE, NR equal to PR, that equal to PN. So that's why three sides SSS similarity criteria. So we can write that as, okay, SSS similarity criteria, triangle ACE similar to triangle PRN. So we can take, why I have taken PRN here, because the sides we are taken PR, N, everything. So that's why. So we can write triangle ACE similar to the triangle PRN. Okay, this thing, triangle ACE similar to the PRN. Okay. And also angle 1, here we have to take, these are the angles, which are those, consider this angle should be 1, okay, because they are proportional, and 2, and this is a 3, and this is a 4. Which angles I'll tell you, DAC and PR, MPR, then BAD, then QPM, these three angles. Okay, so here angle 1 equal to angle 2 we can take, and angle 3 equal to angle 4 we can take. Why? Corresponding angles of the similar triangle. If they are similar, their corresponding angles also similar. So that's why we can take angle 1 equals angle 2. Why this should be? I am writing here corresponding angles of similar triangle, corresponding angles of similar triangles. Okay, in the same way, similarly we can tell, similarly, this is a similarly symbol. I told you no, angle 1, if angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to, obviously the angle 3 equal to angle 4. Obviously we can write angle 3 equal to angle 4. The reason is same, because corresponding angles of the similar triangle here also. So this should be, take this should be as a 1, this as a 3, and this as a 4, equation 4. So add equation 3 and 4, add 3 and 4. So by adding 3 and 4, how to add the LHS, then RHS, angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. We can write. So 1 plus 3 nothing but the, it is angle A, 2 plus 4 nothing but the angle P. Okay, so we can take as angle A equal to angle P. Consider this as a equation 5. So let us take in triangle ABC what that has given, that to prove that we have to take triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So from this we can write, from equation 5, if the angles are equal, then the sides, okay, sides are also proportional. Okay, from equation 5 we can write that sides are also proportional. I mean AB divided by PQ equal to AC divided by PR. See this thing, AB divided by PQ equal to AC divided by PR. Okay, the sides. So here we can get the two sides, AB equal to AC, PQ equal to PR, and also angle A equal to angle P. So that is, okay, angle A equal to angle P. Okay, so here two sides and one angle. By SAS similarity criteria, we can write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is the proof. Okay. Yes. Let us move for the next sum. 15th sum in this. Vertical pole of a length 6 meter cast a shadow. It is cast a shadow. This is the, consider this is a pole, PQ is a pole, length 6 meter. It cast a shadow. ನೆರಳನ್ನು ಬೀರಿಸಿದೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಊತಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪೋಲು ನೆರಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಶಾಡೋ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು ಶಾಡೋ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 4 meters ಶಾಡೋ ಇದೆ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. QC is a shadow, PQ is a pole length. Okay, at the same time a tower cast a shadow. This is a tower. Which is the tower? AB. AB is a tower. Consider this is a tower, this is a pole. Okay, and this is a pole shadow, pole ನೆರಳು, and BC is a cast a shadow 28 meter. In the sense BC is the tower shadow, don't get confusion. Okay, so cast a tower 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. We want to find this height, I mean AB height want to find out. Okay, so if we are prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQC, we can take that sides are proportional, so then we can find the AB. First we have to prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQC. So that's why that thing only how to take in triangle ABC and triangle PQC. Okay, they only has given right angle triangle. Both are right angle triangle. Which are those? Angle ABC, right angle in the sense 90 degree. Angle PQC, both are 90 degree. right angle triangle. And common in this two triangles, the common letter is C. So angle C equal to angle C, that is the common angle. So again two angles are equal by AA similarity criteria. So we can write by AA similarity criteria, we can write triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQC. If both the triangles are similar, not congruent, sorry, it is similar. So if both the triangles are similar, then their sides are also proportional. Sides in the sense AB divided by that side, same side PQ, equal to BC divided by QC, right? BC this side and one more QC, BC divided by QC, we can take that. Okay, AB they didn't give the measurement, right as it is, we want to find out. PQ they has given, that is 6, substitute that. BC they has given, that is 28, right, substitute that. And QC also they has given how much, that is the 4, substitute that. So do the cross multiplication here. AB into 4 is 4AB, that equal to 28 into 6. Okay, don't go to multiply. If they are going to multiplication, it will become again difficulty. So try to solve like that only. So here no space, that's why I am continuing here. AB equals what happen, 28 into 6 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 sevens. This is easy. So without multiplication, if it is divisible, it is easy. Okay, so 4 sevens are 28. So 7 6 is AB is 42 meter. So the tower, height of the tower, therefore the height of the tower is 42 meter. This is the answer. Okay, yes, last it is the last sum in your exercise 2.3. let us move further. If AD and PM are the medians of the triangle, so this is the triangle ABC and PQR, AD and PM are the medians, PQR respectively, where triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB divided by PQ equal to AD divided by PM. Okay, so which triangle that has given, triangle ABC, we have to take that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, they has given, it is given. So if they are similar, the sides are proportional, you know that, right? So write the sides which are those, AB divided by PQ equal to, one more is BC divided by QR. So sides are proportional. Okay, why it should be corresponding sides of similar triangle, they only given similar triangle. Okay, yes, if it should be median in the sense divides the sides equally, right? So we can write here BC equals 2BD, right? I show you already how it will become. Okay, and QR equals what happen here, 2QM. Okay, QM plus QM, 2QM, BD plus BD, 2BD. Okay, so that is why it should be, because AD is the median, and here also which is the median, PM is the median, Okay, take this as a 1 and this as 2 and this as 3. Okay, from 1 2 and 3, from 1 2 and 3, we can write for this, instead of BC and QR we can write 2BD, right? So AB divided by PQ equal to, instead of BC and QR what we can write, 2BD, that equal to 2QM. So here 2 get cancelled, remaining is AB equal to PQ, that equal to BD divided by QM. Okay, AB divided by PQ equal to BD divided by QM. Okay, And if they are similar, we can write here triangle ABD and PQM are similar, right? Okay, so triangle, if the sides are proportional, so we can write triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. Okay, which it is the converse of BPT. Okay, if the sides are proportional, then both the triangles are similar. Okay, we can write, we can take that. Clear? Okay, so this two sides are equal now, and also we have to take one more angle, that is angle in triangle ABD and PQM. So we can take this as this is as a equation 4. Okay, angle B, so both are angle ABD and PQM. Angle B equal to angle Q, we can take angle B equal to angle Q. Why? It should be corresponding angles of a similar triangle, corresponding angles of similar triangle we can write. So if it should be like that, see here, two sides AB equals BD, PQ and QM, and angle B equal to angle Q. Which triangle, which criteria we can take? By SAS criteria, SAS similarity criteria, we can prove that triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. So if it should be done like that, the proportional sides are proportional. Which are those sides? AB divided by PQ equal to AD divided by PM. One more side also we can take. Okay, hence it is proved. Okay, hope you will understand. Later in the next exercise we have to move for the next sum. Till that, keep watching. Thank you all.